Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to DOOGEE V Max. First of all, go into Play Store on both and install free app called Send Anywhere. It has to be from this developer. When your app is ready, open it. Now, in order to use it, do exactly the same on both devices. First of all, tap on I agree, then confirm, continue, and allow. Now on the second one, I agree, confirm, continue, allow. In this pop-up about new updates, you can choose Not Now if you wish to. Then close it by selecting OK. Now tap on Send at the bottom left corner of an Android and Receive next to Send at the bottom of DOOGEE. Stick around on your VMax and pick the best options for your ads. Yes, I agree, or no thanks. Then click on Close this window and go back to an Android. You can finally tap on all of those categories located at the top. So click. Then to pick multiple files from your category, tap on those type of dots at the top left corners. You can also just click on the chosen files. In my case, this one photo. Now click on Send next to Selected at the bottom and hit Got it in Here's Some Tip pop-up. After that, you need to decide which connection way is better for you. If you want to scan this QR code, click on the scanning icon next to Input key on VMax. Then click on While using or only this time. And point your device's camera at the code. If you don't want to do that, you can also input this key in Input key section to connect. When you finished, double check it and then tap on Receive to connect. So when I do that, as you can see, my photo was successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!